Meaning of initiator.
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 Initiator. Initiator refers to someone or something that starts or initiates an action, process or event. This term is often used in the context of business, project management, and social situations where one person takes the lead in starting something. In a group setting, the initiator is the person who proposes an idea, makes a suggestion, or takes the first step towards a goal. Being an initiator requires confidence, creativity, and a willingness to take risks. Effective initiators can inspire others to follow their lead and achieve success as a team.